ordered 2 more big sets of drawers. Water bead balls now have a nice big drawer to themselves. I used one of the tiny drawers for my new black pop sockets. I used another tiny drawer for the purple and blue pop sockets. This is the color I have on my phone. Next, I restocked the color change balls. These are some of my favorites and my customers' favorites. I'm constantly having to restock this drawer. Next, I'm restocking the dough balls. So bright and colorful. Normal size pop tubes are next. 6 packs, 3 packs, and individual. Look at these adorable colors. Love them. Okay, big surprise. Coming soon, these teeny tiny pop tubes. Restocking my drawers. I filled up this big drawer with lots of different poppers. I have a few different shapes and tons of colors to choose from. I'm a math teacher, so I've recently been loving that octagon shape. These black ones are so cool too. Okay, I'm getting bored of the poppers. Moving on. Wait. Not moving on. Okay, actually moving on this time. Puzzle balls. In this little drawer, I put all my stickers, Keep Calm and Fidget on, this cute Mrs. Bench one, and these teeny tiny Fidget Toys Plus one. And I put the extra on the side. Next are these super fun stretchy puffer balls. They have LED lights too, and they're so cute. Always gotta refill these DNA balls. These sell out so quick. I love restock days.